How to fix Twitter has unfortunately stopped working. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix if Twitter says that it has stopped working unfortunately. But before we get started with the video, if you're new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now the Twitter app could crash for multiple reasons. When it says unfortunately Twitter has stopped working, there could be multiple reasons behind it and not just one reason. The very first reason could be that, let's say that there are lots of temporary cache files stored on your Twitter app. So in order to fix that, we'll simply go over and then long press on the Twitter application on our home screen. So just go ahead and then long press on the Twitter app icon, and then you'll find this eye icon over here. Just tap on the eye icon and you'll be taken to the app info page of Twitter. Once you go to the app info page, scroll down and you want to go to the option called storage. Once you go to storage, clear the cache files and also clear the data. Once you clear the cache files and the data of the Twitter application, now you just want to come back, exit out of it, and what you want to do is open up your Google Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, in the search box you simply want to type in Twitter. So go ahead and then type in Twitter. As you type in Twitter, if you see an update button there next to the Twitter application, I want you to actually go ahead and then update the Twitter apps to the latest version. What updating does is that it is going to fix most of the issues and bugs which you were facing in the previous versions of the application. So if this doesn't help, then what I would also recommend you to do is to simply go ahead and check if there are any type of software updates available on your phone. Sometimes the app could not be compatible with your version of operating system. So go to software update. It could also likely be the bug with your operating system. So go to download and install. And if there is even a tiniest bit of updates available for your software, then I want you to actually go ahead and then update your firmware to the latest version. And hopefully one of these would definitely solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.